In a bold move that reflects the evolving landscape of technology, Texas A&M University Corpus Christi, TAMUCC, has unveiled a new concentration in artificial intelligence, AI, within its computer science program. This initiative is designed to equip students with the essential skills needed to thrive in a job market that is rapidly transforming due to advancements in AI. Senior student Malak Mahdi emphasizes the importance of this new concentration, stating that it will significantly enhance the employability of future graduates, known as islanders. In today's world, virtually every career path in computer science demands some level of AI literacy, Mahdi explains. Even if you don't grasp the intricate details, it's crucial to understand how AI will impact your specific field. Job requirements are evolving, and they already have. Therefore, providing students with a concentration like this will undoubtedly give them a competitive advantage in securing employment. University officials are optimistic that this new focus will not only prepare graduates for the challenges ahead, but also position them favorably in various industries, leading to lucrative job opportunities. This development raises an intriguing question. Are educational institutions doing enough to keep pace with technological advancements? As AI continues to permeate various sectors, how should universities adapt their curricula to ensure students are not just prepared, but excel in their future careers? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe that AI literacy should be a fundamental part of all educational programs? Or do you think there are other skills that should take precedence? Let's discuss.